Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorial guys. And today we're going to have a look at the Power Air Fryer Oven. Cooking with tech. Let's get to the kitchen. Alright, so here's the Power Air Fryer. This is everything that comes with it. This basket right here, guys, great for roasting vegetables and also some French fries, guys. You put it in there and they have a rotisserie setting where it just turns. Speaking of rotisserie, this is your setup for the rotisserie. You go ahead and you put this together. You have some skewers in the background. You put your chicken on there, your lamb on there, whatever you want to roast. Just stick it in there and they have a setting for you to turn where it can roast slowly at the correct setting and time that you desire. They also give you some recipe guides, kind of like spur your imagination, get you used to using the device. So that's always a nice additive, showing you the different things that you can cook in there. And they also have this paper that claims it can save you $100 worth of groceries. So that's a nice additive right there. This little stain right here would be when you take your rotisserie chicken or whatever out, you just set it on there and it's great for carving, guys. This tool is to grab the basket or to grab whatever you're roasting where you don't have to put your hands in there. Now this is the 8 quart, which is one of the, well, it's not one up, it is the largest size, and you can get 5 cooking racks up in there. And you can see those racks are pretty big. Now guys, I never seen this before. I don't recall ever seeing one of these things reviewing a product, but this is a paper saying that when you buy it from them, you have to go through arbitration. So make sure you read that paperwork. Now here is the oven itself. It's sort of like a fingerprint magnet, but it looks good and it feels good, and you can look in the inside. There's a lot of room, and when I show you guys the example of me cooking wings, you're gonna be able to see how much food you actually can get in this thing. It's basically a convection oven, guys. They have a fan at the top. If you ever watch the commercials, it shows how the heat circulate, and the great thing I love about it is that they have these preset temperatures. You can see chicken, cake, fish, steak, or whatever, shrimp. But if you're experimenting or you feel like your food is not cooked to where you want it, you can adjust your temperature, and you can also adjust your time. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what I've been working on. I decided to do some wings. Now a little trick I learned was to spray this with some pound spray or coconut oil, whatever you have, the little cooking racks, to help the chicken come off after you finish cooking it. So go ahead and put my wings on there. I've been marinating them for about 2 days now. Just place them nice and easy and even on the racks. Don't forget to take the drip pan from the top. When you first buy it, at the very top, the drip pan is going to be covering the convection fan. You want to make sure that you get that down because there's cardboard and everything else. You don't want to start a fire. I got about 20 pieces of wings up in here, and I still had more space, so I decided to put some sausages up in there, guys. And look at all of that chicken. Now please forgive me, I did not notice that I put the racks in there crooked until after the video, but it cooked nevertheless just the same. Now what I basically did, guys, I played around with the time from 20 minutes to 15 minutes or whatever, just switching out the racks and seeing what would give me the best cooking setting. After the wings finished cooking, I decided to dip it in some Hooter sauce and put them back in there so I can have that perfect crispiness to it and the flavor that I so like. So I put it in there for about another 15 minutes. I let it go down to about 8 minutes, and I took it out. And you can see right in there, guys, those wings cooking, how great they look. Yes, again, the rack is crooked, but look how pretty that is, man. And let me tell you, it came out nice and crisp. And look at these sauces length. So overall, it took me about 55 minutes to cook, guys. It tasted great. It tasted excellent. Since this video, I have done fried chicken, baked chicken, grilled chicken. 5 stars out of 5. Absolutely wonderful, healthy, great tasting food. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.